everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. Today I am making some Tiger King bath bombs. If you want to see me making the recipe, I'll just put an information card in the top right hand corner now, and you can go to that video where I'm mixing in the colours and everything. So I've just added my citric acid to my bicarb and everything else that's already in there, the colours, the carrier oil, the fragrance oil, which is pineapple and mango. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I did a wholesale video of me packing these, and some of you would ask, could I do a video? So yes, of course I can. Usually I would just get my hand mixer in here now and start mixing this all together, but today I'm not doing that just because it is noisy. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take out some of this, pop it in here, and this is going to be my tiger stripe. I've already got some white ready to go here, which feels a bit wet, to be honest. I think I might redo that. It's just too risky because it's wet. It's too risky to make them and then waste them, so I'm going to redo them. So to this mix I'm going to add some silver mica and just mix that in. It will make it a bit more powdery, but it does work okay for the stripes. I'm going to need to put more than that in. I don't think adding extra liquid actually works with bath bombs. So if your mixture's going really dry, don't, anyway, it's up to you. I've done it myself, sprayed extra water on to get them made, but I don't think it works just because it changes it just changes it. Now I would like to do black, but black stains the bath. I have bought some black water soluble dye, but I haven't tried it yet now, so which means I haven't mastered it. So I'm frightened to try it right now because I need to get these made. They need to get made, and off they will go on Monday. It's Saturday now. Okay, so I've just redone that. The citric acid was in the bottom already, so I'm just mixing the two together. This feels a lot better. So I'm just going to have a little layer of the white on the top. You saw the bath bombs I made, so, well, you might not have, but you're going to see them now in this video. Right, so I just need a spoon. Take a bath bomb mould, scoop a little bit of the white in there, then a little bit of what looks like brown now rather than black, some of the orange, some of the brown again, some of the orange. Just press that down, put that to one side, start the process again without doing the white because this is the bottom of the bath bomb. Just try and get another stripe on there by putting some more of the brown on there. And then into the orange and squeeze it together. Give it a tap, so I'm going to tap it, unwrap it, just to let you see what it looks like. And there we are, that's it, that's one made. And do the same again. And just try and get that sprinkle around the outside of the bath bomb, because that's where obviously where your zebra stripes are gonna I guess zebra stripes would do if it was black and white, wouldn't it? But this isn't, this is tiger stripes. Okay, here they are. My cute Tiger King bath bombs. Bubbling bath bombs, bath fizzers, whatever you want to call them. I'm a little late really doing this because Tiger King's been so popular. But hope you like them. And why don't you have a go and make some? If you do, let me see them. I'll see you all very, very soon. Have a great day, everyone. We've got a Tiger King soap coming up soon. And I'll see you all when that's ready to upload. Bye bye for now.